So today's job, we're gonna change this door out. As you can see, been hit by a car, and I believe it's the second time this door has been hit. And I think the main reason is because people pull up and then they reverse, and then you need some sort of security barrier. But so what we done was we boarded it off, overnight, and fortunately we got a door, a new door which is going to be installed, which is right here. And I'd like to thank AAA Doors from Calgary for getting this door ready so quickly. They've set the hinges. It's an 18 gauge door and it's prepped for a door XTP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And what I'll do is I'll start the installation and I'll post as I go along. All right, just removing the Von Duprin 22 hardware. Hardware seems intact. I'll just pull the TP off. Okay, so here we have it. The door is installed with the panic door hardware. Just a slight adjustment to the electric strike there. Really nice job from whoever put it in Unitech access control. Good job, keep it up, guys. And the door closure and the spraying to stop the door from opening up too much is good. The contacts are on, and the hinges and everything's real nice. Everything fits good. Got the old weather stripping back on and the door's secure. Okay, well, that was a nice job, and whoever dinged it, well, be more careful when you're reversing. Have a great day. Happy New Year.